Well, my God, I just made a video and I realized that since I was not smiling in the video, all my thumbnails have come out like very serious. And so, anyway, people, the video that I had made was on this Karan Johar show, which is called What the Love. It's on Netflix and it was released yesterday. And man, what a show! Yeah, like seriously, I mean, Netflix is something that is it's it's changing the landscape of the viewing culture of the planet, I think. But really, and Karan Johar's anything, any show, any movie by Karan Johar has it's like it's a, I won't say it's like the gold standard in things, but pretty much. I mean, there is it's so distinctive, so people, you all should watch this. And it's about this, finding love for these singletons, grooming them, giving them a mental makeover and all. So really cute show. So What the Love on Netflix, a must watch. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.